I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your PC. Windows 10 or 11, 8 GB RAM, SSD, DirectX 12, and a GTX 1050 Ti or equivalent GPU will run the game smoothly. Purchase Rare Replay from the Microsoft Store or use Xbox Game Pass so you can legally install Banjo Kazooie. Nuts and bolts on PC. The game is included there rather than as a standalone Steam title. Plug in an Xbox controller via USB or Bluetooth for the best experience. You can use a keyboard, but you will remap analog functions to keys. Install Rare Replay from the Microsoft Store, sign into your Xbox account, and download the Rare Replay package including Banjo Kazooie. Nuts and bolts. After launching, open the in-game video and audio options. Set your desktop resolution to 1920 x 1080, target 60 frames per second, turn VSync off if you use frame limiting software, and enable SMA or TAA anti-aliasing for clear edges. For controls, map an Xbox controller with left stick for movement, right stick for camera, A for jump, B for action, and RB for attack and build toggles. Optimize performance by enabling Windows Game Mode and switching your power plan to high performance. This reduces background throttling and stutter. Keep GPU drivers up to date, clear the shader cache in the Xbox app if available, and use the Microsoft Store or Xbox app verify/repair option to fix corrupted files. If you experience low frame rates or texture pop-in, lower the resolution to 1280 x 720, disable heavy post-processing effects, or cap the game to 30 FPS for more stable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.